This is code.org. Let's see what we're working on. Look at all this corn. Can you pick it all by yourself? I bet we can. Workspace. There's 1 block in use, yep, and 7. And we can only use each direction, if we have to, once. No more than once for each. Alright, so I bet we need a repeat block, but like always, I'm just going to start laying out the program and kind of break the rules at first, because it's good to test. So I know I need to go south. Right, yep. And then I need to go south. Yep and yep. Oh, look, I'm leaving corn behind. I'm getting ahead of myself. Alright, and that's how you really want to run code, by the way. Adding 1 block at a time and testing really helps out. I do it like that all the time. Okay, so now I have 3 of these, because I'm looking for a pattern here. Let's see. South pick corn, south pick corn, south pick corn. Yep, so I do that 3 times in a row, but I'm still not here yet. So how many more are there? 1, 2, 3, it looks like. Okay, well, let me just lay all these out. Jeez, this is a lot. And I know I'm way over, but that's fine, because we're testing. Alright, I think that's enough. Maybe I even overdid it. Okay, so now take a look at this. Wow, I'm using 13 blocks, way too many. But thankfully, I'm noticing here, sound effects included, there's a pattern. South pick corn, south pick corn, south pick corn. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a minute, I'm repeating myself 6 times. So, instead of doing that, I'm going to grab my handy dandy repeat block and drop, we can put 2 blocks in a repeat. And what this will do is exactly what I did before, but not super long. Now I'm only using 4 blocks. Let's test. Boom. And once a repeat block is done, it will, once it repeats all this 6 times, south pick corn, south pick corn, south pick corn, that was 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, or however many is up here, it will run code beneath it. So let's check that out. I'm going to throw down, because I think east and pick corn. Let's try. Yep. And I'm just going to keep using more blocks because I'm just testing. East, pick corn, east, pick corn. Huh, I'm already noticing another pattern here. Let's see how far this gets us. And I know I'm over, but it's fine. We're testing things out. Okay, so we need 2 more. Well, this is once, twice. Here, let's break this up because I know I'm repeating myself. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Okay, and I need 2 more. So that would be 6 total. So instead of repeating myself like that, I'm going to grab a repeat block. And now I should do this 6 times. Zoop, 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 zoop. And once it's done, it drops to this repeat loop because we can use 2 of them. And it will do this 6 times. Let's test. Ta-da! Awesome, we did it.